Here's my unboxing and review of the Salvatore Ferragamo's Variable Leather Mini Bag. So please keep on watching. Okay guys, so let's get into it. So this is the box that the bag comes in. It's very pretty, very sturdy box. And I'm opening it and taking it out of the dust bag that it comes in. This dust bag is very soft and you can tell that it's good quality. It has the Salvatore Ferragamo logo on the front of the bag in red. And here is the bag itself. So the bag itself is made of leather. As you can see, it has the cute little bow on the front of the bag. It also has the gold tone hardware. It has a snap flat closure, as you can see, and I'm just taking out the interior. The straps are removable. You can just unlatch it from the inside. The leather is very soft. The actual crossbody strap is a 23-inch drop, and it's made of the gold tone as well. It is a very good length. And at the top, it does have a leather piece, which I really like. I prefer that over having the chain all the way around. Snap closure is really, really good. Like it really adheres well. And like I said, it really has the nice bow detailing on it. And the leather, as stated, is very, very soft. Here is the interior. So it's pretty spacious. It does have the information regarding the purse and when it was made. This purse is made in Italy. It has the textile lining on the interior, and like I stated, the leather on the outside of the bag. And it's just an overall very pretty, basic evening bag that you can utilize. This is the side of the bag. The bag itself has almost a 2-inch diameter and a 8-inch, almost 8-inch width. It does fit a good amount of items in the bag as well. And I'm going to be putting a small zip around wallet in the bag just to show you guys how everything fits. I'm going to put several other items. So that's the wallet there. The lipstick, I'm going to add that in. Also going to add in some hand sanitizer. Can't forget about that. And I'm going to add in as well my iPhone. This is the iPhone 11. And you can see how that fits in there comfortably. So this is basically the bag itself with all of those items in there. You can use a smaller wallet if you want. You can add keys on the top. Right now you can see it's a little tight. It's a little bit of a struggle to get it closed, but I want it to be realistic as to what items you can put in there and how much you can fit in there. So I wanted to fill it up to the max. So as you can see, it does have some little distortion. So I would definitely recommend using a smaller wallet or less items and only kind of put the necessities that you need in the bag itself, but still it looks nice and it holds its shape pretty well. So the price of the bag actually is $8.75. It was on sale at Saks Off 5th for $6.99, and then with a 20% coupon, it actually came out to $597. So it was a really, really good deal on this bag. So this is just how the bag looks on. So as you can see, it looks really nice, very simple, very elegant. I love the chain detail. I think it just adds a level of sophistication to the bag itself. So this is the bag with the chain. And then I'm also going to take the chain off so you can see that you can also utilize the bag without the chain as well as a clutch. And this is how the bag looks as a clutch. So like I said, you can use it as a crossbody and then you can also use it as a clutch. So it's very stylish, very versatile, and I think it's just an excellent bag for the price. I will link the description and a link to the bag. I'm not sure if they sell the same one, but something similar below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification bell. Thanks.